Hey dudes, just a little late night drawing as usual. It's about 2 o'clock in the night, in the evening, in the morning, whatever you call it. It's birthday tomorrow at work, so as usually I'm late with all my drawing, so gotta sit up all night doing my drawing. Gotta be better with that. This is kind of the stuff I'm doing tomorrow. I don't know if you can see it. Something like that. Just a little something. Working on another bird here when I can't finish the wings, but hey, give me a couple more hours and it's all done. Not much to say. It's my first clip for the channel. Gonna be mostly about my tattooing and other kind of stuff that I like. Really getting into pipes now, so I just watched C-Star McPipe's channel and the Dagners. Really impressed with the pipes he makes. C-Star would really like to get my hands on one later on. Just bought myself a downhill pipe. Real happy with it. Still kind of hard getting into all the tobacco from the pipe. I'm usually more of a cigar smoker. Got my favorites there, of course, but yeah, well, we'll see what happens. Well, guess I should keep on drawing some. Take care, suckers. See you next time.